Tim Bartz here, Long McArthur Ford. Of course, we are here at the New York Auto Show, and we're getting a chance to see a new feature that is coming to a lot of your vehicles, including, this happens to be F-150 Lightning. For 23, we'll have it. Super Duty Job 2, those items that are on that tow tech package, this is one of them. So we're going to demonstrate how this works. It is really cool how it works, and it's using the Pro Trailer Assist button to be able to activate this. So let's go ahead and give you a little demo. So first thing you're going to do there is you hit the button, and it's wanting to say, or do you want to use, are you already hooked up to the trailer or not? So it's using the same information here to use for either backing the trailer up or backing up to the trailer and taking care of all of the steering here. So it's a little different than the Hitch Assist, which has the guidelines. So we're going to hit no because we don't have a trailer activated. And it's going to initialize. This takes a few seconds to kind of establish where everything is, where you are in relation. It's trying to find the trailer. We are pretty far away from the trailer, if you can see on that screen, and it's trying to find that trailer, and it should zone in here in just a little bit. This is the second time doing this, just to make sure we knew how to use the technology. We might need to back up a little bit. So it says move vehicle. Okay, so we do need to back up a little bit, so we're going to back up just a little. Oh, there we go. Tells us to stop, so we were too far away. It does activate the trailer, and it does say put it in neutral now, so it knows that's the trailer we want. And I just press and hold the button. So check this out. Oh, I gotta let go of the brake. It just does everything. So I'm off the brake, I have it in neutral, hands off the steering wheel, just pressing the button, and it's gonna kind of back it up. Really cool. For those that are novice, maybe getting a first truck, so it does stop, it pauses, it says, okay, make sure that you're up high enough. It already is. Of course, we've been doing these demonstrations all morning here. So we're going to say it is appropriate, or if it's too low, we would need to go and adjust that, but it is appropriate. So we're ready. And then it tells us to go ahead and hold it again. And it's going to go ahead and line up right underneath the ball there, or underneath the hitch. Pretty cool. Puts it in park for us, and we're all done. All we got to do is just lower it down, and we're connected. So pretty cool on how that works. Pretty cool technology. So if you're a novice person, uncomfortable backing up to a hitch into a trailer, this is a great technology. Again, we're going to be available on the Super Duty Job 2, so that's part of that tow tech package. It's going to be included in there, so you'll want to make sure you have that package to get this feature. The Lightning in 23 is supposed to have it as well. Probably part of the tow tech package. I'd have to do a little more research on that, but some great technology that Ford's putting on a lot of their vehicles to help you tow and haul and just do work things with your truck, right? So this is a pretty cool video, so hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for all these new updates, how-to videos, and everything Ford related right here on this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you in the next video.